Are you tired of uploading your digital products only to hear crickets at the end of the day? And I'm talking about no sales, no traffic, just silence. What you need are platforms with built-in traffic places where millions of buyers are already hanging out and ready to spend. And that is why today I'm going to be revealing 6 best platforms where you can sell your digital product to millions of buyers who are already browsing and ready to spend. So let's turn those crickets into bank alerts. But before we dive right into the video, I want you to give this video a generous like and let me know where you're watching from in the comment section below. Feel free to let me know your experience with any of these platforms and the one that you've just heard for the first time. Let's start with Creative Market. And this is one of the most popular platforms for digital creators. This marketplace is more like a hub for designers selling everything from fonts to graphics to templates to stock photos and even 3D models. What makes Creative Market stand out from millions of other platforms is its focus on high quality creative assets. Buyers here are often designers, marketers, and small business owners looking for professional resources to elevate their projects. The platform is user-friendly and setting up a shop is quite straightforward. So all you need to do is head over to their website, click on Open a Shop, and immediately start uploading your products. But I must say, when it comes to pricing, you can set your own rates, but most products range from $5 to $50. Creative Market takes about a 40% commission on each sale. In return, they handle marketing, payment processing, and customer support, which is absolutely great. So if you're looking to tap into a massive audience of creative professionals, then Creative Market is a fantastic place to start. Envato Market. This is a powerhouse in the digital place world. Envato isn't just one platform, it's a collection of niche marketplace like theme for templates, audio jungle for music and sound effects. You also have video hives for video templates and stock footage, and also graphic rivers for graphic and fonts. I must say this platform is perfect for creators who specialize in specific niche. For example, if you are a web designer, Theme Forest is a place to sell your digital templates. Envato takes about 55% commission, but in return, you get access to a massive global audience. I must say one thing to note is that Envato has strict quality standards. So your product needs to be top-notch just to get approved. But once they are, then the earning potential is huge. As many sellers on Envato, they make thousands of dollars by consistently uploading high quality assets. Now, let's talk about Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is a hidden gem for digital creators, and this platform is similar to Creative Market, but with a crafty twist. Here, you're going to find everything from fonts and graphics to cutting machine files, embroidery patterns, and even knitting designs. Creative Fabrica attracts about 7.2 million visitors on a monthly basis and generates 2 to 5 million annually. It is a fantastic place to sell your digital products, cater to crafters, hobbyists, and even small business owners. So to get started, all you need to do is create an account on their website and click Turn My Account into Designer Account. From there, you can start uploading your products. And guess what? You can also start selling. Creative Fabrica takes about 50% commission, but they handle all the marketing and, of course, the customer support. So if you're looking for a platform with a strong focus on crafts and DIY projects, creatives, then Fabrica is a great choice. Make sure your products are unique and also they cater to a niche audience. Next, we have Gumroad. And this is a versatile platform that is perfect for selling almost anything from digital to ebook to courses to graphic fonts, even one software, Gumroad has it all. And with 20.9 million visitors per month to about 10 to 15 million in revenue, Gumroad is the best in digital marketplace worldwide. And what sets Gumroad apart is the simplicity. You can set up a shop in minutes and there are no upfront fees or even monthly subscriptions. It's absolutely free. So to get started, head over to gumroad.com and then click on Start Selling. And from there, you can go ahead to upload your product, set your prices, and even offer discounts or bundles if you wish. Gumroad takes about 10% commission on each sale, which is significantly lower than many other platforms out there. So if you're looking for a platform that is easy to use and also that offers great earning potential, then Gumroad is a fantastic option. Etsy, the giant of handmade and digital goods. While Etsy is traditionally known for physical products, it is also a gold mine for digital creators. With nearly 500 million visits a month and over $1 billion in annual revenue, Etsy is a platform you actually can't ignore. Selling digital products on Etsy is less competitive than physical goods, which makes it a smarter choice for creators. You can also sell anything from printables, templates, to digital arts, and even patterns. So to get started, go ahead to create an Etsy account, set up your shop, and start uploading your product on Etsy. Etsy charges a 20 cents to a 6.5% commission on each sale. And one of the best things about Etsy, the millions of buyers that are already browsing the platform. And so you absolutely don't need to worry about driving traffic. Just make sure that your product listings are well optimized with all the necessary keywords and high quality images. So if you're looking for a platform with massive reach and built-in audience, then Etsy is a must try. Just focus on creating something really unique and high quality products, and you will be on your way to success. Finally, let's talk about BrandCrowd. Have you heard of BrandCrowd before? Let me know in the comment section. This is a niche platform for designers. So if you are a graphic designer specializing in logos, then BrandCrowd is where you want to head to. They attract about 2.2 million visitors and they generate about 10 to 15 million annually. The platform is focused on logo design, which makes it a great place to showcase your skill as a graphic designer. To get started, visit brandcrowd.com and then click on Start Selling. You can go ahead to upload your logos, your designs, and of course, not forgetting to set your price. BrandCrowd takes a 50% commission, but in return, you get access to high targeted audience of buyers that are looking for logos. And one unique feature about BrandCrowd is its logo customization tools, which allows buyers to tweak your design. And this means that your logo could be sold multiple times to different buyers, and that increases your earning potential. So if you are a logo designer looking for a platform with a strong focus on your niche, then BrandCrowd is a fantastic choice. But just make sure the designs are unique and they also cater to their audience. The key here is to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to selling digital products. List your products on multiple platforms to maximize your reach and also to increase your sales potential. If you found this video helpful, I want you to give this video a generous thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips, more ideas on how you can grow your business online. And if you're ready to start selling, I want you to drop a comment below in the comment section. Let me know the platform you are going to try first. All right, I can't wait to read from you guys. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay blessed and have a good one. Bye for now.